In this lecture, we will take a look at the top tools in Kali. It is important to know most frequently used tools to get started fast in penetration testing. But don't forget, there are many tools, maybe tens or hundreds of tools, applications designed for pen testing. Even in Kali, there are more than 350 tools. You can't learn them all at once, but step by step, you will learn the basic principles of how things work, and then you will be able to find what you are looking for. But for now, we will start with the basics, yet most used ones. Okay, let's start with the Files icon. You can reach your files, for example your documents, downloads, music, etc. from this icon here. And second, Terminal. This is of course not a tool by itself, but you will use this command line to access almost all stuff in Kali. Okay, next one, Iceweasel. Although not listed here in the favorites bar, Iceweasel is a web browser which is a product of Mozilla. Let's find it by clicking Show Applications and then typing Iceweasel. Right click, Add to Favorites, Escape and Escape. Now you see this. You can move it wherever you want. Okay, the icon is a bit different than Mozilla Firefox, but almost all options are the same with the Firefox browser. Our next tool is Nmap, the famous network mapper or network scanner, so to speak. You can't see the icon here because we will use Nmap directly from the command line like this, Nmap. This tool in one sentence is the network exploration, security and port scanner, which you will use all the time. You can type Nmap, like I did, to list of options for target specification or host discovery, etc. We will talk a lot about Nmap in the upcoming lectures. There is also a GUI version of Nmap, which is called ZenMap. To access ZenMap, click Show Applications and then type ZenMap. Okay, this is the GUI version and this is the command line version. And next one, Metasploit. Metasploit framework is probably the #1 place you will spend most of your time during your ethical hacking projects. It is a penetration testing platform or framework, so to speak, which is used from scanning to exploitation and privilege escalation phases. You can start Metasploit by clicking the icon here from the favorites bar on the left. Take some time, especially when you first run Metasploit, but we will talk about Metasploit a lot in the upcoming lectures. Okay, Armitage, the next one, is a tool which works together with Metasploit and makes pen testing easier for teams with collaboration and better visualization options. It needs to connect to Metasploit database. Okay, let's close this for now. Okay, the next one, Burp Suite. It is an integrated platform for performing security testing of web applications. And the next one, Beef, is yet another tool focuses on the web browser exploitation. Acronym stands for Browser Exploitation Framework. You will find this tool useful especially for leveraging exploits to reach behind hardened perimeters like network and client systems. And the next one, Faraday. This one provides an integrated pen testing platform, IPE, which is purely designed for collaborative pen testing and data sharing among pen testers. Although similar with Armitage, Faraday is more focused on multiplayer monitoring of your colleagues and easy reporting. I'm closing it for now. Okay. And then this one, LeafPad. LeafPad is a very simple text editor for taking notes easy. Alright, you probably heard about many new tools and terminologies in this lecture. Don't worry if you don't grasp them all at once, but try to get familiar with the tools. Just open them, try to understand what they are doing, but don't spend too much time on them yet. For this course, please pay special attention to Nmap and Metasploit, as we will practice much more in the upcoming lectures.